Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we will going to talk about this Cradle Pro ergonomic chair from Stance. Okay, so for today's video guys, pag-usapan natin tong ergonomic chair na to, which is the Cradle Pro ergonomic chair from Stance. So a special thanks to Stance for this opportunity na matry natin si Cradle Pro and ma-review na rin natin. And if you're looking for an ergonomic chair, then this video might be for you. Okay, so pag-usapan na natin si Cradle Pro ergonomic chair. So sabi ko nga kanina, this is the Cradle Pro ergonomic chair. And this cost around 13,990. And baka magulat kayo, 14K, almost 14K para sa upuan. Parang ang mahal naman ata. Pero teka, papaliwanag ko. For me, a good chair helps me as a content creator to do better on what I do. I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and most of the time I am sitting down, editing my videos, conceptualizing, script writing, and sleeping. Sleeping? Well, oo, minsan nanap ako. Pag sa tingin kong kailangan ko lang i-rest saglit yung mata ko because matagal nakatingin sa monitor and pinipikit ko siya and medyo nanap ako ng konti. Hindi pala sleeping, so napping pala siya. And then, sa lahat ng bagay na nabanggit ko, isa lang ang constant doon, which is ang upuan. So sabi nga sa kasabihan, a man is only as good as his tools. So if you don't have the proper tools, baka hindi mo magawa ng tama yung kailangan mong gawin. Baka frustrating na, and in the long run, baka time consuming na rin if hindi tama yung tools mo. So sample analogy lang. So parang puputol ka ng puno. Meron kang dalawang tool, isang chainsaw and isang espada. Pares naman nakakaputol ng puno, pero alin sa dalawa ang pinakamabilis na way para maputol ang puno? Actually, ang dapat na tanong is, anong klaseng puno? Kung Nara tree yan, edi dapat chainsaw ang gamit mo dahil sobrang kapal niya. Pero kung bamboo tree naman yan, perfect na yung espada and mas mabilis pa. So doon pumapasok yung sinasabi ko na, if tama yung tools mo, mas makakatulong siya sa'yo. Teka, umabot na tayo sa espada. So, balik lang tayo sa upuan. So, for me, having the right tools helps me as a content creator to do my work easier. And this chair is a good tool for that. Okay, so tama na munang explanation. I'll give you the details or specification ng chair na to. Okay, so let's explain the parts of the chair. So, yung wheels niya, it's hard plastic. And then, yung base niya is full metal. And then, yung gas lift niya is also full metal. Yung chair height niya is from 116 na pinakamababa up to 126 centimeters na pinakamataas. Yung maximum weight niya is 125 kilos. And it has a waterfall seat, so sobrang comfortable niya. With back nylon mesh. And yung armrest niya na plastic yung support or yung base. And yung mismong armrest is soft foam. And then this one also has a nylon mesh headrest and is highly adjustable. And then of course it has tilt mechanism and height adjust. Okay, what I like about this chair is first is yung comfort niya. So obviously this is an ergonomic chair, so dapat talaga comfortable siya. And yun nga, based from its name, Cradle Pro. So kini-cradle naman niya yung pag-upo ko. Based from the shape of the chair, sobrang comfortable niya. And what I really like about this chair is it's made from nylon mesh. So sobrang breathable niya. So gamit ko yung Secret Lab ko most of the time, pero yun nga, pag mainit yung panahon and hindi ko na-on yung aircon, so sobrang init niya talaga sa upuan. Pero this one, dahil nylon mesh siya, sobrang breathable niya. Yung electric fan, pumapasok siya talaga anywhere on the chair. So parang nalalamigan or nare-refresh yung buong katawan mo. So yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, na iba talaga yung mesh na breathable. And then the overall structure of the chair is sobrang light niya. So it's easy to move around. Ang dali niyang i-urong-urong. So pag inuurong mo siya, sobrang light niya. Napansin ko and na-compare ko lang sa Secret Lab, kasi Secret Lab medyo mabigat siya. So pag inurong ko, medyo kailangan talaga ng effort. But this one, sobrang light niya and madali siyang itulak. And isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito is because of this chair is mesh, it's easier to clean. Kasi pagka yung mga office chair or ibang ergonomic chair na foam, yung seat part, so dumudumi kasi yon na alikabukan. This one kasi dahil nylon mesh siya, pagpag lang. And madali siyang punasan dahil nylon. So hindi yung stain, hindi siya kakapit. Punas lang ng wet cloth. So okay na siya. So ang dali niyang linisin, and siguro yung maintenance na ito hindi siya ganun kahirap like yung mga gaming chairs like Secret Lab or yung mga office chair na may mga foam na seat cushion. So next thing that I like about this chair is yung adjustability. Ang galing din ng Cradle Pro kasi yung sa armrest niya, ang dami niyang options. Pwedeng left to right yung handle or yung armrest, and then pwedeng back and forth. So maurong mo siya depending on your body type, and then depende sa gusto mong kung saan ka comfortable, and then up and down. So kung gusto mong mas mataas or mas mababa, you can adjust it also. And then yung backrest niya, very decent naman yung pag-tilt. And then meron din siyang headrest for your neck to support it. And then obviously, hindi siya okay na chair if hindi na up and down. And then meron din siyang lock. And so far, okay naman sila. Ang dali lang i-adjust, lalo na yung armrest. So armrest yung pinakagusto ko sa pagiging adjustable. So sobrang okay niya. And then lastly, productivity. So paano napasok yung upuan again sa productivity? So actually, dahil ergonomic chair siya, dahil sobrang comfortable niya gamitin, dahil ang dali ng adjustability niya, I can sit using this one for long hours. So doon nagbo-boost yung productivity. Kasi pagka hindi okay yung chair mo, madali kang mangawit, madali kang mangalay, so kailangan mong tumayo, mag-iba ng posisyon, so mapuputol. So kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, kailangan mong putulin yun para lang hindi ka mangalay or mangawit. But this chair, sobrang comfortable niya, and hindi ko na experience mangawit or mangalay or anything. So dun nagbo-boost yung productivity ko. So parang kumbaga in the zone ako. Kaya nabo-boost talaga yung productivity ko when it comes to using this chair. Pero overall, sobrang comfortable na itong chair na to. And mas parang nagbago yung posture ko because of the shape of the chair. So medyo hindi na ako nagsaslouch. So I think it's a good thing also. So nasabi ko na yung thoughts ko about this chair. Nagbigay pa ako ng analogy. And then nasabi ko na rin yung price. So this one is cost around 13,990 or almost 14K. So based from my analogy and based from its materials and its features, I think sulit naman yung 14,000. Lalo na if you do work from home and you are also a content creator like me na tagal talagang nakaupo. And then I really think na a good chair is really a good investment. Especially if you're using it for your work, which nakaka-produce ka ng pera, or content creation like me na nagagawa mo yung passion mo. So yeah, I really think na this is really a good investment. Okay, so thank you again to Stance Philippines for sending this one. And thank you for the opportunity na matry ko yung ergonomic chair na to. Wala akong binayaran, sinend lang nila to sa akin para matry natin and ma-review ko sa inyo. Okay, so if you don't know Stance is a company na nagbebenta sila ng mga ergonomic chair, office desk. Actually, yung gusto ko nga sa kanila is yung motorized standing desk nila. So hopefully soon. And then, meron din sila iba't ibang for work-related stuff para ma-boost yung productivity nyo. So, sobrang okay ng mga products nila. So, if you don't know them, I'll provide a link in the description down below. And check nyo sila. And if you are starting up your own home office, perfect si Stance Philippines for you. So, check nyo na lang. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.